What's up, Honey Crunchers? BornPrettyStore just sent me these products for review. The first one is this Fruits and Leaves Water Decal, and it's C044. Next is another design of Fruits Water Decal, and it's C046. Next we have is this Sailor themed water decal. Next is BornPrettyStore's clear chest silicone stamper and scraper. And next we have is this super adorable stamping plate, and this one is BPL091. And lastly we have is Gamma Ray. This is from BornPrettyStore's Holo collection. All the links of these items are available on the description box below. Which product would you like me to review first? Comment down below. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends before leaving. Thank you so much, BornPrettyStore, for sending me all of these items. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!